Okay, journal's out.
Oh, it's already out. I got you, man.
Title it, Writing Equations in Point Slope Form. So this is actually, I think, going to be pretty easy because everyone in here should be really accustomed to this. It's just, instead of taking it all the way to slope intercept like we have been doing, we're going to stop at point slope form. So for example, if I'm told you to write equations in point slope form, and the point that I'm given is 10 and negative 8 and a slope of negative 1/2. Okay? If I had you write this in point slope form, remember point slope form is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1, right? So if they give you a point and a slope, and everyone in here should already know how to do this. This is x1 and this is y1, right? So the way we're going to do it is we're going to go y minus. The minus is a part of the formula, so it has to be a part of the formula. Okay, you can't just remove it. Y minus y1, which is a negative 8, equals negative 1/2, which is the slope, which gets plugged in for m, x minus 10. Now, to be able to finish writing this thing, we're going to combine together the two negatives to make y plus 8 equals negative 1/2 x minus 10. And that's point slope form. Right there is our answer. That is called point slope form. Now, we already know how to take from here and go all the way to the very end, right? Okay? So today's lesson, which I kind of think it's weird that they put it in this fashion, but they actually go backwards. So today, instead of going all the way, we're stopping right here. And this will make sense why we're stopping here in just a second. But, so let's do another one. I want you guys to write, I'm going to give you a point and a slope, and you guys are going to write it in point slope form. So here's your point, negative 9/6, and the slope of negative 4/3. Write that in point slope form for me. Yep. All right, so this is our x1 and our y1, right? So we're going to have y minus 6 equals negative 4/3 x minus a negative 9, correct?
Yes.
So we're going to have y minus 6 equals negative 4/3 x plus 9. And there's your answer. Who got that right? Good. Now the reason why they're reteaching this, and that is going to be part of your homework today, believe it or not, is writing equations in point slope form. But the reason why they're teaching us that right now is because we're going to learn how to graph at a point slope form. Now trust me on this when I tell you this. This is not that hard, and I'm going to show you why. So write down this problem. Y minus 4 equals negative 3/4 x minus 5. So that equation right there is in point slope form. Okay, we're going to learn how to graph out of this. So here we go. Step number 1. Find your point. So we're going to find a point first. We're going to pull a point out of it. Now, our point is contained right here. There's our y coordinate, and there's our x coordinate. But they're not negative 4 and negative 5. Does anyone know what they'd be? Ricky? Yeah. So the way we find our point is by change the signs in the formula. X goes first, Y goes second, just like an ordered pair. So our point right here would be, because this is negative 5, it's going to be 5. Because that's negative 4, it's going to be positive 4. Step 2, identify slope. What's our slope in that formula? Negative 3/4, right? Okay. Slope stays the same. The only thing that changes are the points. So the slope stays. Okay. So now watch this. You guys ready? Okay. So what's our point? 5, 4, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's our point. What's our slope? So from our point, we're going to go down 3, right 4, and I'm out of room, but it's over there somewhere. And there would be your graph line. Easy, right? So all you do is you get your point, and then you use the slope from the point to be able to graph your equation. So I'm going to come up with my own here. You guys ready? Or you guys are going to come up with it. Keep writing there just for a sec more. That's a weird looking line. I ran out of room. It's over there somewhere, the 4. Remember, from our point, we're going to go down 3, right 4. Okay. Dre, give me a number.
1.
Positive or negative?
Positive.
Equals. Give me a slope, Easton. Give me a weird fraction.
1 over 2.
Good. Negative 1/2. X. Ricky, give me a number. Positive or negative? Let's go negative. Yeah? Okay. So there's our equation. So the first thing we're going to do is identify our point.
Wait, yeah, don't you have to have
You have to
minus?
have a minus by the Y.
No, because this is how they're going to give it to you. Watch.
Okay.
So what would be our x coordinate? A positive 5. What would be the y coordinate? Negative 1. You did say positive 1. Okay, does everyone see this? So because this is negative up here, it becomes a positive down here. Because it's a positive right there, it becomes a negative down there. Okay, what's our slope? Negative 1/2. So that's all right. So now we're going to go over here to our to our graph. Okay. What's our point, Dre?
5 and then negative 1.
So our point's right there. Pull out your point first. From there, we're going to do our slope. What's our slope?
Negative 1.
So how do we plot it from here?
Down 1 over 2.
Down 1, right 2, and there's your graph.
Down 2.
Okay, any questions? Can we do this? Okay, I'm going to get it for you. So half it's going to be writing the equation in point slope form, half it's going to be graphing the equation in point slope form.
I already got it.
There you go.
Why don't we have today off?
You're a federal holiday.
I wish.
The people that were putting up the flag got put over.
Did they?
Yeah.
Like when I sat
They
over
were
there.
riding the baby truck.
Very rude. Don't they go like more than like 15 miles per
They
hour?
were going like 6 miles. They were not knowing what
Like really hot.
What about how Paul rolled in yesterday 3 minutes ago?
like the quabbling
Hey, whose is the green pen?
Who has red pen?
I mean, I wrote my name on it. It's not-
Who's this?
Mark Broston, I think.
Yeah, I confused
Funny
myself.
calculator in there yesterday.
Uh-uh.
Me?
Cool one.
The cool one, so me?
You're really kind of helpful. Because then you stop it by you loud.
Brilliant. You got much today. What? Computer team?
Ready, Braxton?
I think that you're talking about on the board.
Oh, yeah,
I'm going to go on there.
Oh, yeah. Let me know.
Is your name Mason Wilkie?
What's your name?
Hey, today'd be a good day when you finish this to probably do what?
Alex assignments.
Alex assignment or your zoo?
Oh, shoot,
Oh, you have to, for us, do we have to get our own graphic?
I have some if you want it, but I'd probably, if I were you, I'd buy your own because mine's crap.
Zoom, I thought he said Zoom. I was like, we're doing Zoom and...
Yeah.
Dude, whoever that one is, they're tryhards, but I want to go to theirs. They have a cable.
Hey, whose is this? Easton? Did you turn one in?
Wait, what is it?
It's yours, Daxton.
I do.
This person's a tryhard, but they also have a cable.
Oh. Is there a, you see the
I got it, 71. Yep.
It's almost like you get sick on the tigers. Someone's like,
Tell,